Alright guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how to make a screenshot on your iPhone 14 Pro, specifically iPhone 14 Pro. Okay, so the step number one would be to unlock your iPhone. Now, let's assume you want to take a screenshot of your home screen of your iPhone 14 Pro. Okay, so what you need to do for that, you need to locate the button of volume up and volume down on the left side of your iPhone. And the same you need to do with the right button, which is the power button. Okay, so what you need to do, you need to hold the volume up button and the power button simultaneously. So now I'm going to show you how to do it. So volume up and volume down, we do it like that and we release it immediately. So now the screenshot was taken. Tap on it once. Now it opens a new window, and here what you can do with your newly taken screenshot, you can crop the area of the screenshot. Okay, in case you just need a specific part of the screen screenshotted, for example, like this one. Now, after you're done with it, what you can also do, you can edit it with different tools. And now once you're done with it, you need to press the done button and then press the save to photos, save to files, or to delete screenshot, or to copy and delete. So copy and delete will make it sure that the screenshot is not being saved onto your iPhone storage if you don't need it, but it's still going to be copied so you can paste it into the messenger and send it to somebody. However, make sure to do it immediately after copying and deleting this screenshot. Okay, now that's what I will do, copy and delete. So there it is. That's how you take a screenshot on your iPhone 14 Pro. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel.